Welcome to GPA Media. Hello viewers. In this video, we are going to talk with UPSC scholar, All India Rank 5 holder 2018 Srushti Jayant Deshmukh. In this video, we picked some of the best interview questions answered by her. She shared her experience, inspiration, motivation and journey of cracking the IAS exam and how she managed engineering while preparing for civil services. In addition to this, she also shared the reason why she picked IAS and what is the reason for a woman to crack the top jobs in the country. Congratulations for cracking the UPSC Civil Services examination. We all know that it is one of the toughest examinations in the country with less than 0.01% result. When did you know that you wanted to join the civil services and when did you?
Thank you. I completed my graduation last year in 2018 in chemical engineering. It was around third year that I had decided that a private job being chemical engineer is not something I am doing all my life. I am from a normal middle class family. I remember asking myself where I can reach using my learning capacity, the way I can learn and the way I can gain knowledge. Using that capacity, what position can I reach where I will be able to make a positive change in the lives of so many people. It was then that I felt civil service is that door. It opens so many opportunities to have such great exposure in your entire career, and that's how I chose civil service.
Okay, that was awesome. You are an engineering graduate. Engineering in itself requires a lot of hard work and time. Was it difficult to prepare for UPSC while managing engineering itself?
Yes, of course, but I tricked my brain. Whenever the semester exam of the engineering came, I would focus on engineering. 1 month before the exam, I planned things, jot down and made my own notes and gave the exam. But my overall focus was always on the civil service. The key is tricking your mind and prioritizing your life. When you understand what your inner calling is, then you get to balance things howsoever tough they are.
Okay, that was fine. All India 5th rank and topper among women. Do you think it is tougher for you or was it any different from you as a woman to crack the examination?
No, it wasn't. I thank my family for this. Nobody from my family ever asked, why were you giving this exam? My mother gave me this independence. No pressures of cooking. I was given the freedom to pursue my studies. I did not know how to cook. Even now, I am learning like a beginner and she gave me that kind of independence. So I will thank her for that. There are no special challenges that I faced. Moreover, I think UPSC is something that brings everybody on the same platform, right? Everybody is from a different background. Somebody is doctor, some an engineer, but the examination, the journey, the syllabus pushes you through so much that we all come on the same platform. I think so.
Wow, that was inspiring. Before you cleared the examination, you had shared that your choices were IAS, IRS or IPS, but never Indian Foreign Services. Any particular reason?
I did not opt for Indian Foreign Service. This I did because I felt that I wanted to work staying in the country. I felt that I would be able to connect to the grassroots level in a better manner. I have absolute respect for the people who opt for the Indian services. It is an allied service which gives you a lot of opportunities, but this was my personal call and I did not opt for it. That's it.
Wow, that was inspiring. Did you take any special help or coaching?
Oh yes, I have been a student of the foundation course of KSG, Khan Study Group, Bhopal Center, and after that I have been connected with KSG for the prelims test series. I gave my mock interview with Khan sir. I would say that I have grown up as a person in this journey of UPSC with KSG and thankful for the guidance and expertise.
Okay, that was fine. Dr. Khan is known as the biggest task master when it comes to personal interviews. How did you fare on that?
Dr. Khan helped immensely. He gives you marks and it forces you to reassess yourself. what helps you out actually. When you sit through such tough personal mock interviews and do not get the marks, at that moment you feel bad that you haven't got marks, but it makes you want to work it. It pushes you further. I think this exam is about rediscovering your own selves, rediscovering your own weaknesses, and that's what adds up to your positive things. I really think Dr. Khan truly helped me in my journey of self-actualization by playing the devil's advocate, and it was what made the difference in the actual interviews.
Thank you, Srishti Jayant Deshmukh, for this interview.